Ceilings are usually very challenging to paint because gravity works against you. This makes the use of a brush or roller very tiring and time-consuming. Therefore, the best option is to use a paint sprayer, which is, of course, very quick. However, there are different types of sprayers that are ideal for this job. This might make the selection process a bit difficult, especially if you don't know what to look for. Today we are going to review top 5 paint sprayer for ceilings. And we are going to start our list with Fuji Sprays SemiPro 2. It comes with an M model non-bleed spray gun, which has a gravity feed 0.4 quart cup that requires significantly less air pressure for paint atomization. This spray gun features a dedicated fan knob for adjusting the spray pattern from a 1-inch circular to 12-inch oval size, stainless steel fluid passages that prevent needle tip wearing and multiple air caps, ranging from 0.8 to 2 mm, for spraying different types of paints. Power is provided by a 1,400 watt 2-stage turbine, which supplies air at a maximum pressure of 5 psi, and a 25-foot hose is included to connect it to the spray gun. Other features include quick change turbine filters for easy maintenance, a gun holder on the turbine's case for convenient storage, and an easy to disassemble gun design for quick cleaning and maintenance. The only problem is that the paint cup is quite small, which requires multiple refills when working on a large project. And as always, the link is in the description below. Graco's Magnum X7 packs in a lot of power, featuring a 0.625 horsepower pump that delivers 3000 psi maximum pressure. Though this produces overspray, it ensures you get a fast flow rate of 0.31 gallons per minute for quick coverage and allows you to spray unthinned paint at high pressure. Just like the Control Max 1700 Pro, this tool is mounted on a 2-wheeled cart, which makes it easily portable, and can carry a 5-gallon paint with it. That said, the product is equipped with a flexible suction tube that allows for spraying directly from a paint bucket. A 25-foot hose is included for connecting the pump to the spray gun, but the pump can support up to a 100-foot hose for extended reach when working on high ceilings. Other features include adjustable pressure settings for better control, a power flush adapter that connects to a garden hose for easy cleaning, and a reversible tip for clog-free use. On the downside, you don't get spray pattern adjustment settings for altering the fan's shape. As an HVLP paint sprayer, Fuji Sprays Mini Mite 4 stands out because it is very powerful, featuring a 4-stage turbine that produces a maximum pressure of 8.5 psi. This pressure is supplied to an efficient non-bleed spray gun, which has an ergonomic stay-cool handle for comfortable use, a pattern control knob to adjust the size of the spray fan, and a 1-quart metallic paint cup. A 25 featuring high-flex hose is included for connecting the spray to the turbine, which gives a lot of flexibility when spraying around the ceiling. You get a patented noise reduction feature on the turbine, a heat dissipation box for keeping the turbine case free from heat buildup, a viscosity cup for measuring the paint's thickness, a cleaning brush, and a maintenance wrench. However, this sprayer is very expensive. Again, the link is in the description. If you are on a tight budget, Wagner Spraytex0518050 is an affordable paint sprayer to consider buying. That said, the product is an HVLP sprayer that has a 2-stage turbine that is rated for indoor/outdoor use, and has paint flow adjustment settings for complete control. At maximum setting, the unit sprays at a rate of 4.9 fluid ounces per minute, 0.04 gallons per minute, with a 12-inch wide fan, while at the lowest setting, it goes down to 0.5 inches. Other features include adjustable spray pattern settings for vertical, round, or horizontal painting, a 1-quart paint cup for working on small projects, a 1.5 quarts container large volume projects, and a viscosity cup for measuring the paint's thickness. The only issue is that the paint gun and turbine are joined into a single piece, which makes the sprayer a bit bulky. This design is not ideal for spraying in tight spaces. Because of working against gravity, overspray creates a lot of mist falls back to the ground as waste. Titan Tools Control Max 1700 Pro takes care of this by incorporating the use of high-efficiency airless (HEA) technology to reduce overspray by up to 55%. Additionally, the unit has a max pressure of 1500 psi, which is relatively low in airless sprayer standards, and this helps to reduce overspray. That said, The sprayer is equipped with a powerful 0.6 horsepower pump that has the ability to spray unthin paints and stains, and has variable speed settings to adjust the paint flow to a maximum of 0.33 gallons per minute. Other features include a long 50-foot hose for reaching the whole ceiling area, can support up to 100 feet, a cart design with 2 wheels for easy portability, a flexible suction tube for spraying directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint can, and a replaceable fluid section for enhanced durability. Combined, these features make this the best overall paint sprayer for ceilings. The only problem is that it does not have spray pattern adjustment settings. It's time to make the decision which one to get. Check the link in the description to check the price and get yours. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button blue. We'll see you in the next AdvisorBit video. Till then, have fun.